Hello students, welcome you all. My name is Parul Gupta, your CA teacher. I welcome you all. I hope you all are fine. So as you all know that student, I believe that you must have got the worksheets, right? So in worksheet you must be having your CA worksheet also. Okay children. So whatever the questions are there in your worksheet, you have to solve all the questions in a A4 size rule sheet, as I think it has been told by your class teacher as well. Okay, so students, you have to take this work seriously, as your marks will be given on the basis of this. Okay, so your work should be neat and clean. If any diagram is there, so you have to draw the diagram in a very proper or in a in a very proper or in a neat manner. Okay, so now let's come back to our session. As you all know that student, in my previous video I started with our chapter 8, that is MS Word, a word processor. Yes, so in this video also I'm going to continue with my chapter 8 only, that is MS Word, a word processor. Okay, so first of all we're going to discuss the topics that what I'm going to cover in this video session. So let's talk about the topics, children. Yes, so these are the topics, children, that what we're going to cover in this video session. The first topic is adding text in a document, then saving the document, then third topic is more file operations in MS Word, then editing text in MS Word, and then selecting text in a document. Okay, so these are the topics. Yes, so these are the topics that what I'm going to cover in this video session. Okay, so let's talk about our first topic, that is adding text in a document. Yes, so like in my previous video you must have seen that we have talked about what is MS Word, right? Why we are using MS Word, right? Then we have discussed about the components of a MS Word window. So now we're going to talk about adding text in a document. Suppose we all know that we are using MS Word for creating the textual document. So how we can add text in a document, that we're going to discuss. First of all, steps to type text in a document is, the first step, that is type the text at the cursor position by pressing the different keys. Okay, then press the enter key to start a new paragraph. Okay, means wherever the cursor is blink in your system, in the MS Word app, start typing over there. Okay, by pressing the different keys. Like once we are typing the text, that time you people are using your space bar key, backspace key, right? So then after that, press the enter key to start a new paragraph. Okay, so once you're done with this, then if one line has been over, then press enter key, automatically the cursor move to the next line, and then you can start writing the next paragraph. Okay, so this is the procedure how we can add text in a document. I will show you also practically. As you all know that this is my MS Word app, and this is what my cursor is blinking over there. Suppose if I want to type the text, let me write down. Okay, word processor is an application software used for creating, editing, formatting, and printing of any sort of document. As you can see that my one line is over, then automatically cursor moves to the next line. You can see here that I have typed this text in front of you. Okay, right, this is my MS Word app, MS Word software, as you must have seen. So in this I have typed the text wherever the cursor is blink. Then once I have done with my one line, then I have pressed the enter, and then automatically the cursor moves to the next position. Suppose if I want to start my next line from the next pair, yes, so then after that again I have pressed the enter key, and then I start typing the text. Okay, so like this way you can type the text in MS Word. That's why the name of the topic is adding text in a document. Suppose if I want to write something more, so I can write that this is the process of typing text in a document. Okay, clear children? That what we have discussed here, that type the text at the cursor position by pressing the different keys and then press the enter key to start a new paragraph. Clear children? After that, now let's talk about our next topic, that is saving the document. So once we type the text in a document, so if I want to save, how we can do that? First of all, we have to click on the Office button, then select the save option. The save as dialog box opens. Select the folder or storage device where you want to save the file. In the file name box, type an appropriate name for the file, then click on the save button. First of all, you have to click on the Office button, okay, or you can say the file option. Okay, so once you click over there, then in that you will get an option that is save, then save as dialog box will open. Then select the folder or storage device wherever you want to save your file. Then in the file name box, type an appropriate name for the file and click on the save button. So these are the steps for saving the document. So now let's check this practically as well. So you all can see here that this is the document in which I have typed the text. So now I am going to click here that this is file tab. Then here this is the option that is save as. So now it's asking for me for the where I want to save my file. Okay, suppose if I'm selecting this PC, okay, then this is the dialog box up here. So suppose if I want to save my file on desktop, so I've clicked or select the location that is desktop. So now type the name that is file 1, okay, dot txt, okay, and then save. So now then this file has been saved with the name that is file1.txt. So this is how we can save the file in MS Word. That what we have discussed just now. Okay, now let's talk about our next topic, that is more file operations in MS Word. Apart from adding text and apart from saving file, what else we can do in MS Word? First one is opening a pre-stored saved document file. Whatever the file we have saved before, we can open that file, then save the changes made to the document. Okay, then making a copy of a document, closing a document, and exiting from MS Word. So these are the more file operations in MS Word. Okay, apart from saving a file, we can open a file, we can saving the changes made to the document. Means if suppose a file has been already created and if we are doing the changes, then again we have to save it. Then making a copy of a document. Okay, copy means creating a duplicate copy. Okay, then closing a document and then exiting from MS Word. Okay, so now let's talk about one by one. Yes, so like you all can see here that I have opened this, okay, MS Word file, although this is a new blank file. So now I'm going to this file option. Here I'm getting option for open, so I have to just click. Okay, then you need to just select the location wherever you stored the file. Then this PC I have selected, then I have stored my file on the desktop, and then this is the name of the file, that is file1.txt, and then I select and then I click, so file will gonna open in front of me. Okay, now suppose here if I'm doing some changes, like here it is written that this is the process of typing text in document, or if I want to write something else, simply by typing text from the keyboard. Okay, BOART. Okay, so now you must have seen that I have added one more line, so I have to save, otherwise whatever the changes I have made will not be reflected in the file. So again I'm going to file and then I just need to click that as save. So file, whatever the changes I have made, so I have saved that file. Clear? So now if I want to make a copy, I'll show you after this. Then if I want to close the window, you just simply go to file option and then click on close. So the file has been closed. If I want to exit from the window, so what else I can do? Okay, so this is what, now if I want to exit the file, just need to click over here, so we will exit from the file. So now I'm going to show you how we can create a copy. Suppose this is my file with the name file1.txt. if I want to make a copy of it, so just select the file, then right click from the mouse, then in this shortcut menu I have to select the option that is copy, and then here only I'm going to paste. So this one more copy of this file has been created, and this file has been created same on the desktop only. Okay, so these are the file operations, more file operations in MS Word which is given in your book. That is opening a pre-stored save document file. This already I have shown you that how we can open a file. Just click on the office button or file button and click open. The open dialog box appears. Select the file to open from the open dialog box and click on the open button. The file will open. Then saving the changes made to a document. Click on the office button and then save the changes will be saved. Means first of all type whatever you want to type or just edit it. Okay, then after that you just need to click on the save, so that whatever the changes you have made, then it will be reflected in your document. Okay, otherwise you can just press the Ctrl+S, which is a shortcut key for saving the changes. Okay, then making a copy of document. Just now only I have shown you how we can make a document. Making a copy of a document, click on the office button, save as. The save as dialog box will open. Okay, use the save as dialog box to save the document by another name or save the name at another location. Means wherever you want to make a copy you can do that. Okay, just now only I have shown you that on the same location I have created one more copy of that same particular file, that what I have created. Okay, then comes to closing a document. Just simply press Ctrl+W or just click on this red cross button which is available on the Windows control button. So once you click over there, the file will gonna be closed. Okay, then exiting from MS Word, I have only show you. Then in the file option also we're getting the option of exit. Otherwise you can just simply click over there. Okay, so these are the more file operations in MS Word that what we have discussed just now. Yes, so now we're going to talk about our next topic, that is editing text in MS Word. Okay, suppose if we want to edit the text, so how we can do that in MS Word, let's talk about that. Editing text means making corrections to the text and manipulating it in a manner that would lead to the desired end result. Okay, means whatever the text we have typed, if we want to do any changes or any type of a correction to the text or manipulating that in a manner that would lead to a desired end result, so that is the meaning of editing. Editing may include inserting, deleting, copying or moving the text. Editing doesn't mean that we are just making the correction. Editing means if we are inserting any word or any sentence or any paragraph, or if we are deleting something, if we are copying something, or if we are moving the text, finding and replacing a particular text in a document. So all these features are the part of editing. Okay, so you have to write this one also, that all these features are the part of editing. Not only just making correction, you can insert, you can delete, you can copying, you can moving the text, you can use find and replace a particular text. Suppose earlier if I type the word let it be like okay, suppose earlier if I have typed the word page like this way, so if I want to replace the word page with this page, so this is the meaning of find and replace. Okay, so in order to perform any of these editing operations, we need to use the editing command that can be found mainly under home tab. So where we are getting this option of this editing command, we are getting this option under home tab. Okay, so now let us learn how to perform editing operation on the text in a document. So what you have to do, you have to just write down the definition from here till here, and then after that editing may include till in a document. Clear? So no such any, I think, confusion is there in this. Okay, then then we're going to discuss our next topic, that is selecting text in a document. Suppose if we want to select the text, like this is the text that what I have already written in MS Word, and I have shown you also the file that what I have created. So if I want to select the text, how we can do that? I think you all know how to select the text, right? First, to select a particular block of text, click the right before the starting character of the block to bring the cursor there. So just click it and just scroll it from here, so the text will be selected. Okay, then hold down the left mouse button and drag the mouse till the last character of the block is highlighted. Text become highlighted, indicate that it has been selected. Okay, so you know how to select the text from the mouse. Then a text block can also be selected by holding down the shift key and pressing any one of the arrow key correspond to the direction of selection. Okay, by selecting the shift key and then pressing the arrow key, so will also result in selecting the text. Okay, then to select the entire text in a document, just press Ctrl plus A key. Okay, to select a word, double click the word. So if I want to just simply select the word, just double click over there, the word will be selected. Then to select a sentence, hold down the Control key and click anywhere in the sentence. Just select the Control key and click it, the sentence will gonna be selected. To select a paragraph, just triple click anywhere in it. Okay, so these are the few features of selecting the text. If you want to select the entire document, press Ctrl plus A. If you want to select just a word, double click over there. If you want to select the you can say sentence, just press the Control key and click anywhere in the sentence. And if you want to select a paragraph, just triple click on it anywhere. Okay, so the paragraph will be selected. So similarly, you can select the text by mouse, by scroll down the left mouse click till the last character, so the text will be selected. And you can use the shift plus arrow key from the keyboard, you can select the text. Okay, then comes to the next one, that is moving or copying the text. What is the meaning of moving? Moving the text means changing the position of the selected text in the document. Moving means if a file is placed in the document and I want to move that file from document to my drive D, so that means the position has been changed. So this is the process of moving. So that is what written. Moving the text means changing the position of the selected text in the document. Okay, similarly I can move the text from in the document also. Okay, then comes to copying the text, means to keep the text at the original location as well as copy it to the another location. So means duplicate copy if you have created, that is the copying the text. Okay, we generally use cut paste operation for moving the text and copy paste operation for copying the text. So from moving the text till here you have to write down. Okay, so step to move, just select the text you want to move or copy to some other location. Click on the home tab in the clipboard, click on the cut button or press the Ctrl plus X key to move the text. So as you can see here that this is my document, I have just selected this text. Okay, now if I want to move, so I am pressing Ctrl plus X. So you can see here that the line has been removed. So now here I am just pasting it, so I have pressed Ctrl plus V. So earlier you have seen that this line is above after the etc. Then I have pressed Ctrl plus X, so the line has been moved from the earlier you can say the original position to the new position. But if I want to copy, so just I have simply click over here. Okay, then I have pressed the shift key and arrow key. So simply what I did, I have just selected the text. Okay, so now I'm pressing Ctrl plus C. Ctrl plus C is for copying the text. So now after that, just pressing Ctrl plus V. So you can see that same line has been copied. Okay, so this is the difference between copying and moving. Copying means the file will be at the original as well as new, but in moving the file will be removed from the original position and shift to the new position. That is what written in your book. Okay, so now to copy the text, click on the copy button. Okay, press the Ctrl plus C key, bring the cursor to the required location in the document and click on the paste button or press Ctrl plus V key. Okay, the selected text will be moved or copied as per the command. So for copying you have to write these 3 points, just write down the heading copying. Okay, similarly for moving you have to write this one. Okay, first you have to write the definition of moving and then write the steps to move the text, and then after that you have to write the definition of copying, and then you have to write the steps for copying the command, copying the text. Okay, so with this I'm going to end our today's video session. Okay children, so whatever the topics I have discussed today, so please go through it thoroughly and just write down each and everything in your notebook, whatever we have discussed.